Can you solve all these Class 1 Maths Chapter 9 data handling questions? What is the range?
Bravo. 11 is the answer.
What is the median?
Good thinking. 4 is right. We use a survey to collect dash. Right again. Information is valid. The probability of a sure event is. Well picked. 1 is correct. Which hobby has the highest frequency? You got it? Reading fits? What is the range of first 20 natural numbers? Well reasoned. 19 is correct. The probability of an impossible event is dash. Nice selection. Zoe is correct. The bars used to count frequencies are called dash. You chose tally marks. Correct. Data means information in the form of dash figures. Right choice. Numerical is best. The probability of an event always lies between dash. Exactly, Zone 1 makes sense. Telephone is the most favorite technology due to dash. Valid point. Easy to bring is true. Information in the form of numerical figures is called dash. Great thinking. Data is right. What do we call the data represented in the form of pictures? Excellent. Pictograph is well reasoned. Which among the following is not a measure of central tendency? Clear logic. Range is sound. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its dash. Well done. Frequency is right.
Does a pictograph use different symbols to represent the data collected?
Good job. False works well. Right true. Or false at the median is always one of the numbers in the data. Correct response. False is accurate.
Right true or false data obtained in the original form is known as raw data.
Sharp thinking. True is right. Arranging the numerical figures in an ascending and descending order is called an dash. You're right. Array is correct. Data can be represented graphically by using several types of data representation except. Smart pick. Angle of sector is correct.
Representation of data using rectangles of uniform width and equal spacing between them is called.
Perfect. Bar graph is the one. The pictograph is about dash. Nice work. Favorite subject fits perfectly. Which flower is 12 in number? Nicely done. Tulip is solid. How many cupcake on Wednesday? Solid response. 24. What is this type of graph called? Correct. Bar graph is spot. Number of students in class 1 dash. Great job. 40 is accurate. Which fruit did most children choose? Smart move. Banana is accurate answer. Count the number of golden delicious. Excellent choice. 25 is right. Which color do students like the most? Strong choice. Red is right. How many people ate no pizza last month? On track. 4 is correct. What was the most favorite kind of cookie? Nicely done. Chocolate chip is solid. When a cricket team is compared with another team for their performance as a team, the most suitable measure of central tendency is dash. Right again. Mean is valid. Which is the least liked pet in the class? Great job. Bird is accurate.
How many apples did I use in my fruit punch?
Sharp thinking. 24 is right. How many children voted for apples and oranges? Solid response. 6 is valid. How many more butterflies than beetles were seen? Well done. 4 is right. Which vegetable is double the number than capsicum? Nice work. Carrot fits perfectly. How many strawberries do Id and George have together? Perfect. 10 is the one. Among sunny, snowy, and cloudy, which one is the least? Excellent. Cloudy is well reasoned.
Name the vegetable liked the most in the shown picture.
Great thinking. Potato is right. How many fewer rose trees were there than banana trees? Exactly. 1 makes sense. What is the most popular ice cream choice of this class? Correct. Vanilla is spot on. How many chocolates did Shainu eat in week 2 and 3? You're right. 8 is correct. How many students ride in a car and walk to school combined? Valid point. 50 is true. On which day of the week do people visit bookshop the most? Right choice. Wednesday is best. How many children voted for math as their favorite subject? Well picked. 8 is correct. How many total votes were given to cat as per the shown data? Well reasoned. 10 is correct. In your opinion, why we need to do sports or exercise in a week? Good thinking. Get healthy is right.
How many more bananas are there in the picture than the watermelon?
Nice selection. 1 is correct. Which 2 group of animals are same in number in the given picture? Clear logic. Lions and tortoises is sound. How many more people like peanut butter cookies than oatmeal cookies? Strong choice. 2s. There were 2 new students who joined class 6 Miller. One of them liked reading and the other liked photography. What is the total of pupils who like photography now? Smart move. 5 is accurate answer. What is the difference in number of children that eat bananas and apples? A. Bravo. 2 is the answer. According to the shown picture, which subject does students like the least? Oof. Smart pick. Social studies is correct. Kirsty bakes cakes to sell at a cafe. How many cakes did Kirsty on Tuesday? Good. 35 works well. Find the total number of butterflies and caterpillars did the boy find in all. On track. 7. To make a space between 2 words, you choose dash to let the word. I choose the key dash. You chose spacebar, correct? State the most suitable method of data collection for the following situations. The scores obtained by 6 football teams in a football league, the favorite sports of a group of students. Correct response. Observation experiment is accurate. What is the difference of percentage between the most favorite fruits and the least favorite fruits of the students? Ooh.
Excellent choice. 20% is right.
The bar chart above shows the percentage of men spending at least 1 hour per week in sports or exercise. Which age has spending the most in sports or exercise?
You got it, 1624.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Smart pick. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is correct.